Hello guys, and welcome back to the Canine Command. I'm Dan, on the camera, and this is Ace. Ace, you gonna say hi? No? You're just gonna sniff the plant? Okay. Today's video is all about recalling and using the training whistle. So I am using this one. It's the 210.5 Acme whistle. I'll leave the link in the description box below if you want to purchase it. And today we'll be telling you, or showing you, how to use it. So the basic things you need to know about using the training whistle is it has a basic two functions. The first function is the one whistle, which means stop. Two whistles just mean to recall and come back. So the dog should be able to differentiate between one and two whistles, and you'll treat them separately. Treat every time they do it correctly, and even if they don't, you should use positive reinforcement so they think learning is fun. When you first start this training, I recommend you do this at home in a quiet environment and then build up gradually to the outer, bigger world where there's more distractions like squirrels, more people, more dogs. So at least if you're in your own home, your dog has less distractions and can concentrate on the task at hand. Alright guys, I'm going to demonstrate now what you should be doing. I've got a treat in hand, one whistle, it should mean stop. Good boy. Obviously Ace knows his one beep and two beep, so he kind of combines the two. And now we'll keep on walking. He should go up ahead, because he's a Springer Spaniel, doesn't stick to the path. And then two whistles should mean come back. You were a bit slow then, weren't you? Because you were smelling something. Hey? And we'll try again. See, he's much more attentive now because he knows we're learning adult treats. I'll try two. Good boy. Come on. I tried to work on the two whistle first, just because your dog understands that if he hears a whistle, he should come back automatically. Good boy. Yes, I have a poo back here as well because he thought it'd be fun to poop whilst we were filming. I would say you can do this daily, inside or outside, once you've mastered it. And it's a good trick to have because Ace loves to run off as well, like this. He loves to run off in his own court, to run through the trees, and with the whistle he can hear it from miles away. I'm gonna blow the whistle once he goes off a bit. Good boy. Alright, Ace is up here somewhere. Let's try the two whistle. Oh, there he is. It worked. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. And that's a wrap for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. Just gonna share with you my 3 top tips for the whistle training. Number 1 is just positive reinforcement. Treat every time they do something correctly, and this will think the dog is getting something good every time it carries out a good thing. Second one, keep learning, keep trying, because inside or outside your dog will get it eventually. The gun dogs and the collies, the working dogs will get it much faster because they're more attuned, because they're hereditary lines, so they pick up faster, but I'm sure all dogs can be able to do this. And my third thing is just 1 whistle to stop and 2 whistle to recall. The 2 most basic functions you'll ever need. Even if your dog gets lost, just use the whistle and they should come back. Please like, comment and subscribe for more content, guys, and I'll see you next week. Bye. Hey, say bye. You gonna say bye? No, he's gone. He gets him at a squirrel.